Why do you need window treatments? Sound control. Heavier window treatments, like drapes, can help dampen noise from outside and improve acoustic comfort inside your home. Sun protection. Window treatments can protect your furnishings, flooring, and artwork from the damaging effects of UV rays. This helps prevent fading and prolongs the life of your interior decor. Aesthetics. Window treatments are a key element in interior design. They can add color, texture, and style to a room, enhancing its overall look and feel. Privacy from the outside. In addition to providing privacy from inside to outside, window treatments can also create an attractive facade for your home, enhancing its curb appeal. Flexible design. Window treatments offer flexibility. In terms of design, you can change them to suit the season, your mood, or your evolving interior design preferences. Safety. Some window treatments, like cordless blinds, improve child and pet safety by eliminating the risk of entanglement. In summary, window treatments serve both practical and aesthetic purposes. They contribute to the comfort, functionality, and overall style of a room while addressing various needs, from privacy and light control to energy efficiency and sound dampening.